Today we will be testing the adaptive parabolic SAR.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the adaptive parabolic SAR. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 777 indicators, with 315 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the adaptive parabolic SAR, and you can see it here on screen. Not a whole lot to look at with this one as far as the visual components go. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It's the parabolic SAR, but it is adaptive, and so you can see that it functions basically just like the parabolic SAR does, where it has these kind of dots that jump from above to below the price action. And in this particular case, they added in the buy and sell tags there, so it makes it a little bit easier for us to know the buy and the sell. Sometimes the parabolic SAR can be a tad bit confusing for people at first glance to understand whether or not it's giving a buy signal or a sell signal. And so in this particular case, this indicator does a really good job of making sure you understand that when the dots are above price action, that is a sell. When dots are below price action, that is a buy, and added in some background coloration there. And so obviously when we get a sell signal, we are going to go short. When we get a buy signal, we are going to go long. And so pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. You can see that we get that switch, that drop of the dots where they drop down below the price action here. And you can see the buy tag right there. And we enter right here, right as we get a decent little pullback in the market, a decent little correction that pulls back here. And that does come down and stop us out. Unfortunately, it does hit our stop. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a short signal. Again, you can see here that we get that switch of the dots, where the dots are now a jump above the price action there, pushing down. And we get a nice little bar right here, red bar pushing down. That one is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and finish out the year here. All right, that puts us at the end of the year. Before we take a look at those, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server. It's free to join, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up for just our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we are putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, our admin Jay does a really good job of trading the futures market and putting up charts like this here, where he has marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, where he's looking to take trades. He has his entries, his exits, take profits, and all of that kind of lined out, and generally gives a pretty good write-up on what it is that he's looking at, where his mind is during that analysis. And so really, really great chart analysis here on the futures market. We also have one of our members here, Sasquatch. He's an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis of the Forex market, where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of patterns here that you can look at and take advantage of. Sometimes he's even putting up areas like this right here, kind of where he is going into trades, showing exactly where the trade was, where his stop was, his take profit was, and again, kind of the idea behind what it was that he was looking at when he took those trades. And so a lot of really, really great chart analysis and kind of visualization of the support and resistance areas and areas of interest. And so even if you're not necessarily looking to trade price action, support, and resistance, it's good to know where to mark up your charts with these and how to mark up your charts. That way you can understand how those areas are going to interact with whatever trading system and style you may be using. All right, so back to our indicator here. So pretty simple. We had those two trades there. That's all we got within the 1 year's time. We had one winner, we had one loser. So that puts it at a 50% win rate. That is not going to meet the 60% criteria. The biggest issue with this indicator is obviously that it just takes so long for it to give a signal. That can be super problematic. We get in some cases an entire year of trend moving in a particular direction before it finally then switches, which if you could ride that out for the entire year, awesome. That would be a really great move. You'd be looking at somewhere around 1,500 pips altogether, but I have a feeling that you'd probably do better just going in and out of smaller positions quicker than holding for an entire year. So that's it for this one. It is going on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.